Dear students, wishing you a good day and welcoming you to the e-content learning program. This is Reshma NA, Assistant Professor of English, Nyanman First Read College, HSR Layout, Bangalore, presenting to you Unit 6, Session 40. The Idle Hours in the USA, written by R.K. Lakshman. In this session, you will be enabled to express or share your experiences of the travel. Here are a few travel writing tips for the beginners. Have a notepad and a pen during your travel. If you are interested in travel writing, whenever you visit a place and you feel like writing about the place, do remember that you should have a notepad and a pen along with you. Note down how a destination made you feel. Recall your experiences of the travel and then jot down one after the other, maybe the weather conditions of the place in that season of your visit, the food specialities, stay over there, the availabilities, etc. Talk to the local people and have a local perspective so that it will be of great help to you when you do the writing. Maybe you have learnt about the historical or the cultural background about that particular place, so it will help you to elaborate on that. And please do remember that when you do your writing, always stay true to your own writing skills. Have a look into the features of the travelogue which is provided in session 36 PPT. To summarize what we have learned in Unit 6, as of now, we have learned about R.K. Lakshman and his world. We got to know that he is an Indian cartoonist and also an entertaining writer. This particular text, The Idle Hours in the USA, is taken from his book, The Distorted Mirror, which is a collection of short stories, essays and travel writing. In the lesson, The Idle Hours in the USA, we have seen about the author's visit to the Mammoth department store, the hidden cameras over there, the concept of the synthetic garden of USA, and when the author came across the hippies and when he spoke to one of the hippies, he got to know a very important thing about their way of life, that is, a poor man is free and has no obligations and responsibilities. R.K. Lakshman's visit to his friend's house and his impressions about his friend's young son and the time he spent in his friend's house also made him to know about the role of money even in personal relationships. There are a few MCQs here. Travelogue is a piece of writing about travel, economy, industry. The answer is A, travel. You Said It is a daily cartoon strip sketched by R.K. Narayan, R.K. Lakshman, A.K. Ramanujam. Answer is B, R.K. Lakshman. Author's friend's son treated them with courtesy and attention, hatred and neglect, fear and anger. Answer is A, courtesy and attention. With this, we come to the end of session 40. Keep revising. Meet you in the next session, dear students. Thank you.